Hi guys, I just wanted to do this quick video. I'm not a professional painter, I'm a garage painter, been that way for decades, and so I've been using the Duplicolor paint shop, and so I use their Brilliant Silver and their Performance Red. It comes in the quartz, you just spray right out of the cans. Pre-ready, and I just didn't find anything on YouTube that really showed the red or the Brilliant Silver up close, so I just want to do this little video here for those guys that haven't seen it. The red's a very nice bright red, maybe a little bit of an orange red. The silver is a very fine, very heavily flaked silver, and so I wanted to show that. And that's kind of what it looks like. It's a little bit even iridescent. One thing I do want to say, if you don't have professional gear, silver even on a motorcycle is just very hard to paint. The reason for that is you just cannot color sand or wet sand silver. It goes dull and it looks like hell. So there's nothing you can do about it. You just have to shoot it, and if there's a bad spot you have to sand it and then touch it up. Because if you do try to sand it, it just ruins it. So I've got some really bad spots, but on the tail section it turned out okay. But just wanted to show you, hopefully the camera will capture the color. Now it is clear coated with diamond clear from KBS, or one part polyurethane paint, which is some super tough stuff. And but that's kind of what it looks like. And I just wanted to show, like I said, I hope it shows up really well, but that's it. I just wanted to show the Duplicolor colors because I just have not seen the Performance Red up close or the silver. So there you go, guys.